Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to turn your Canva design into a Google Sites website in minutes. Open Canva, go to Templates, and select Website Templates. Here you can choose from many templates for creating websites quickly. Choose this sample template to create a profile website for your site. Let's save and download this picture by selecting the Save option. Select the video standard or click Share, then choose Public Link. Click Create Public Link, then copy the URL. You can paste this link into your Google site. To create one, type My Work Holder as the name. Enter the title for the sample website. Next, add an embed by clicking Embed Code. Paste the URL link into the provided field to complete the embed. Click Insert, then select the link from the options shown. Click Publish here to try viewing your content. Check if it's working or find a link within the system to share or access it. Click Embed, then Embed here. Use this embed code, add another embed, select Embed Code again, and click Next. Click Insert, then choose a website option to publish. Select the one available on our site. I will use this blog post here. Copy the web address, then click Publish to share it. After publishing, access the website using the provided link. This link directs you to the page we created, allowing you to view the site as users will see it. Let's also check the other page types we made to ensure everything works correctly and displays as expected. Once the page loads, you'll see links appearing similar to each other. Clicking one redirects you to another page where you can start building a Canva design or a Canva web design. Create this one too. It works the same way, and you can also click to proceed. Click the Share button to share your Canva web design. This is how you add your Canva design into Google Sites. Now you know how to add a Canva website template to Google Sites and subscribe for more easy tutorials.